I started to notice thinning about 7 years ago. I've been a nurse for 10 years. So right when I saw the thinning, I went and got lab work, found out that I was healthy and there was nothing going on physically. I came across PI Medical Group, so I gave a call and came in for a consultation. Right away got on a plan of doing laser therapy and getting some supplements and some hair products. I've been doing it till this day. I've noticed the thickness in my hair and new hair growth. It's been a great journey to see the difference. When I started to notice my hair coming in, because I was always looking at it, but I would start to see little baby hairs. I could feel when I showered that my hair was just thicker when I was washing it, and I didn't notice the hair coming out like it was before, and when I'd brush it. A thing I love about PI Medical Group is that they specialize in hair growth, the overall health of your hair. So if I had to give advice to women out there with hair loss, I would say don't be frustrated, don't feel like you're alone. There's plenty of us that are experiencing hair loss as well. There's ways that you can get help. Come in and meet with someone, especially at PI Medical Group. They have the time to talk to you. It's done great for me. It's helped boost my confidence and grow my hair, and I just encourage the women out there just to do it as well and give it a chance.